When performing a dumbbell bench press, never keep the dumbbells straight and facing each other, as this puts a lot of pressure on your shoulders. Instead, keep them at a slight angle, forming a triangle. This creates a more anatomical position, which greatly increases the emphasis on your chest and takes some of the pressure off your anterior deltoid. As for breathing, inhale on the way down and exhale on the way up. This will help increase your range of motion. In this position, you can see the dumbbells are parallel and my elbow tends to line up with my shoulder, which increases the pressure on the deltoids. So, I retracted my shoulder blades more to increase my range of motion and focus on my chest. I positioned the dumbbells in that triangle shape, which keeps my elbow below the shoulder line, enhancing the movement. Did you like these tips? Then subscribe to the channel for more tips like these, and go ahead and share this video with your friends who always get the dumbbell bench press wrong.